so Badwam Ahosepe Jumezido, I am some for the Fantido, president for the Brothers and Sisters Association. A Kwaba Sonko Zeba World Best Satasa. No Asamara now Makankan Dana, you are some Makankan Denisi, you man, I can 2 months bio. Now you can make a decision, Casapa. Now, say, American Dana for the 68 days be. Na yara to abazunzun na America da no osan mosma mbrno waka kakra ma wedu nti ewu the political parties ni bebre we release one campaign songs na enyum no ibi e fa binyim na bi mo ho no ma wo twere enyum na ansa na was enyum no na wo to aba sister isn't a political campaign song na edo to aba well but I also was again into no the confunding in ano mijina ho zama hon and mo Bobby na ye tum na is a make any decision no into no me bebete bi ni wi a from na mo yo the pa no achira matasa you know me ye amemu MPP am we listen to ha na mijina enyom na ye kama aka ye rehwe oye enyom na nkasa no atasa oye you can artistic enwa obi na watno ho no aka nyama za abobom into the yesha nyum na kasa no yezi kana ye kwate ye ndise fo no kwane zina na ye mrosisi ye come out boom the care fo no so nanti muri you know what da nyum ha some okay ni na nya se bie enyim ba you know nya se wo mu kakra ye 24 hour economy na azin ntino no wasamara ge ne ye free ho no ma na ye nkete NPP fo so kwane zina ye mrosisi okay no before that no when you better mom yenta ekuadonko so wonyom na anyom no nyi video na so no mo kakra ntina o yenta ye enjoy no so kakra ansa na mezi MPP funu ho nizinyi me mo ai pele ebu MPP last but how ye get MPP fu so ones na ye mresisi amaranyen into no MPP fu so one campaign song no na aje kakra no sameni na ozi ibe into no babombo phone line say na 2 minutes pe anyum no mo heze pa na oya ode oya samini nezina na si nezino anado e mama yakua donko nezino nyimpo boy mo hwom na mza abro ati into no wasamara nye na zotingi de bebe phone lines na to honom na so me wo mpapa o hade oye obi a oye kwanchirefo dino musofu na osan aga na foze wonyimre papa as obi a otwa sene oye actor and a pastor zun na anepay maton safa no house and me hunde oye projects bintino what's them mutum na me nitwe nkomo kakra into no anepay ken fiati good morning
ufantene do the me who remember number here is me fancy but obi on the wapema me eloko papa eloko papa what bridge ma and pay hu ya bibia boko nyamena dum ehumobro was the free and into your account not the chair no cry oy menije pada and pay metum na musumenya akwenya the musumotum na me we gina honom ma so menije fancy dolls okay into no ejina hade yaze ye botum na ye film ho nkomo kakra o Sunday from time I so no na ye started na ye show film na ejina nyu papa minim say motum akade comedian za because not most of films na there me who dey comedy na ze minim mama yo the Juman almost scripter na ahwedo na ya bebe tuma ye na yankopon auto ni isu gudwa na we tuma educating kofo nice moze my ne nice fantin major account still meko bebe me jira bia e fire nti my hwe e sofo nso isi da na e biene no it be combine biene no mu a oye se sofo die nipa ho adwuma ye ana sine adwuma so ye nipa ho adwuma ye o sha go say Yesu Kristo say o kire eniama kra o twan ade no ho mfoni se ne ankofo no beti ase say o yo kire ni nti o to ne bo se ne o be kire eniama ma wate ase ana sine so ho mfa so no It is to stay, educate, inform, entertain.
Okay.
So basically, it's not BBI. It's not by my might. It's just by grace that God has given us. He won't call somebody like me, and the things I have done. So basically, honor and equipping so that we can be able to do the two and others. Because I was a full-time job. So we do a lot of things. And thanks to my father, Dr. Boedinya Meche, I was a bit my BBI as full-time. It's not jack of trades, master of none, but whatever your hand finds to do, say, he can help you to do it. So he's the person I rely on.
My young child, you won't know which are in a certain light. Into those Obia, Chafuma, and Ababa yourself, no, even there, accepted. Ghana food you to there, Butuma acts as an I pastor, they say.
But Bible say, Mamma kind of Potocasim, yes, I'm a tribe here, be quackopim. I say, we don't come to you with the enticing words of human wisdom, but by the exhibition of power. So even if the person, on Jin this in Yamia Frewa, so but not in Yamiasem, no, Yamin Sanctuary, and in it to me, say a year Juma, or no one who say Yankopon, and a year Juma. So, yes, Christo Christ said, and you'll be an agility too. Israel for the Christ and you're no agent. So it's normal for. But
you in your challenges?
I get it a lot. I have people. So me were East Legon branch of the Makers House. Yeah. And I have people like Omaba Asaram say, we all know as of no, so concert man. But when they sit down and God does his thing, nobody will tell you that it's God that is at work. And I would say me papa a lot because watch me never be brave. Dr. Boedinya Meche said, what you give yourself to, you become. And see, if you give yourself to anyhow lifestyle, you become anyhow. I think the challenge with Senior Jumano is the fact that because it's acting, make believe, it's a bit of pretense, becoming something I own yet. But as a so man go for GD say, oh yes, I need and you're trusting anywhere still like Misha Sat at the end of the Nantico. And say, be not nobody cry anything, so Senimu no BBD. Now I feel I better than in a lifestyle. Was at the come, I done in a lifestyle. And see, all forces say, obey Bibia and yes, not. So it will make people see you in that light. So I've seen the church man, I say, we're rather more shattered. So shattered, and now the coin will be about now they are too. And so I think majority of the issues is from us and how we carry ourselves. But God will help us.
Nsi baye hwe abaros dina edge ana edge wobia.
I think even before I maybe so for na men trust near Madeja ebedaho. Okay. If it has to be so, I make believe into him senior no. I'm not the type of pastor I make say imagine Yankopo nti Yesu Christo ti ma brabo mu nti say story no ebe boa ama obi abrabo asesa I won't take it. If I have to be an armed robber for somebody to see say armed robbery enye na say ebe boa na manasesa na brabo, you have to do it because you it's role play until oh yes senior obi bisua bibi free mu na ode abone bra like I said earlier. Se we na se oko boss ajantra brana na sa kofi brana and then a problem but it is to help people reform and basically that's what is most important. Now say he created evil and good and they both report to him. So we need to be able to use what God has given us. Okay.
My father menu bezin komo afa in the most may recruit actors na actress okrom hade na sisi awaka e say there were numbers on social media. First no so na minim don to them. Inti ebezi da mon komo no but before that no mayenka wo project na wasam celebrity impact award.
Yes, Ghana Celebrity Impact Award. Okay. Yeah.
Mpocho cheche muchem kakra. Mpo first of all the Chrome had ye ka celebrate on e hona.
I can't near the program we aba. Because most of the time you can't celebrate a young for feel say you'll be a on Chrome and who say Fantidol Norcon. But we want to redefine celebrity because how do you call yourself a celebrity when you are not making any impact on society, not even on an individual? yet let us say oh yeah celebrity na say akohwibra and awobwa you're impacting people negatively. But Ghana Celebrity Impact Awards basically is you're putting it together such that in Kofwa nipa itimi huomono ye pese ye say then no my year ade aboa ankrankra. Aside that no so no obi wo ho a onye obi a obi anim no onam kra obi anhu no and so when who say bibi wo ho a atochima ewo ewiasim na ode ono ani tumi anase ono edi kan na wa mankofo aboa no se ne ombe bibi aboa say now your sister be your man posting the call a Caribbean school down cranny ho and so call then or ne homoding a contacting call for a boy send a school down abaho a man colano so enya baby or moko school sa nipa no a celebrity saying nipa na ye name no radio and TV so on fan abrabo nye bibi papa bia emwa obia abrabo and sitting so yeah breaking it into 3. One category ye omwa ye ni momo to say fancy doll say na ya say then a fancy doll aye e dey aboa individual bi and say community be or society as a whole say educational problem and health and social infrastructure and say otimi e dey adoma chede anyame dia amano no etimi the call school for her e impact on my life positively mate say imani bi kra wo I do time bi so na say omo as some busa kev na omo ntimi nko school obi wo ha ono de na brabo beto ho se obehwehwe sika anase niama ehia a betimi aboa sa akwala na manako school so ye hwe ne celebrity na aye ne individual a obi anim no so aye na ya hwe ne companies aye because we say companies wo bibi omo fe wo potoka say we say corporate social responsibility a lot of them are not really doing anything to help society. I say for setting up businesses just for profit and they don't give back anything to society. I'm say anka galam say menes ya yenye sanka omo ye wi na say omo kata omo bibia so ye and I say they work according to the laws of the land na say omo wi so na omo ye bibi boa community na omo wona anka em say ho asem kan koye se na yete no so we are saying we're awarding 3 different categories people that are known. The key word is impact. Okay. The impact away, individual impact, and then the corporate, and then we see say then on my year. Yeah, with a mindset. Maybe I now work project. Open so yeah the boy or community. But it's a challenge. Yes, Anna. It opens up the nation. Send individuals and the companies. A interface. So that it makes it easier for the company to know, say, I have to support this individual celebrity. So it's all about transforming society and making
impact.
Yes. The key thing is impact.
On your numbers, on your digital TV, on your digital radio, or your impact.
And even the impact, a positive impact. Sure. That's where our emphasis is.
Until obi to me for cameras, no one day, no what's why celebrate celebrate. But on chatting, definition and chatting. It's not the mina you're share. One my fan there, Ebias in the Chejuma. Only you could be way try, ye shall celebrate one. Today, one more trust, and no one more set, what set, camera guys and as no. Pono say a who them call for no one ma them one ma war act na no why stars no so no them call for ni na no ye bu na you go no instead them call for ni na no
obia the beautiful thing about this awards is the fact that who betimi nominate obi wonim ebia baby oteno crowd obi anim ebia de ketu e bi no waye won say obi wo ha obetimi aya ade de abo anko 400 obi so be ya ade de abo nipa baako asa nipa baako no mwa na onyaye no betimi ama na ye bibia be boa ankra so when ye to say a team na ye wo together nyankopon na amaye idea no and our doom to put it together but ye person ye nyina ye own project so you can nominate somebody so you can nominate yourself
my share dabenda no orbado
you're launching on 5th of September so your nomination stage is currently ongoing initially we wanted to end on the 5th but for our contact and said they didn't hear about it early so we are looking at extending it for like another 2 weeks so it was supposed to end on the 5th of October if you other way but you're extending it for another period of time. So you just have to go on our website, www.GhanaCelebrityImpactAwards.com. www.GhanaCelebrityImpactAwards.com. Not celebrities, Celebrity Impact Awards. Then further information, so you can get it on the website, but you can also do it for ease. Info at Ghana Celebrity Impact Awards.
Nice.
Then when you have assessed all that, now pursue your nomination. You do nomination at Ghana Celebrity ImpactAwards.com. When you go on the website, every other information here on it, you get it. Then nominations are close here. From the point I close nomination all the way to 12th of February. Until you're launching it this year, but the event itself will be in 2025. And we're taking our time to work at it. So 12th of February is when nominations, from when it ends to 12th of February, we go on the ground. So, okay, so we see school dying, we'll check the structural integrity of the building. So we're going to go with Obia or Edansi Ase. Now why assess it? Because when to make us waste it, we want to see it. Then we hit it against the impact I have on the lives of the people. Then on the 29th of March, the first awards night, your friend a grand ball. And when you award, the companies are on my year to help society. So we award 17 companies from all the various groupings identified.
So we're not voting in you.
Voting room.
Oh, okay.
Voting room. And to your research, we need confirm. They say this person that you nominated fit for consideration. Then you the AMA jury. That jury are finalizing everything. That research team now here. Then from that point, the populace would have 60%. The jury will have 60%, and then the populace will have 40%. Okay. But 29th March is when we award the companies. Okay. Now you announce the celebrities and individuals or my impact consider for awards for the voting process. The companies are not up for voting until the year 29th. Okay. Then we want to break barriers, and so we're doing a conference for women. The emphasis is on women, but but your focus here to empower them to be able to use what God has given them. And we are 26th of April. Okay. Then the grand event is on the 24th of March.
Well thought through, Papa.
Yes.
Maji good dates no na
yeah, but it's easy. Once you go on the website, you get every information.
Let's launch in here.
Yeah, launch the 5th of September.
Oh, nice.
But so we are in the nomination stage. Okay. And then we take it from there.
Kenny Embre I am bringing to Mamanda Wasi. Papa, the way to not widen baby demo because it's society and focus no shifting. Now, and there will be for cameras, then why celebrate, but am I at there or a positive impact and no between you celebrate. I'm sure, baby. Let's never can. So I have sure. Maisie, Bessie had that. Before Mokono, what could you produce the Ochio? Also, a care nafty. Final year project, no work show room.
A very good man. I know Donyame Sopa. Pa! Mammy who said the best celebrity in the world is Jesus. Oh. It's a Mr. Sopa.
Okay, the last hour again. With the Bessie had a Comono, me a shop had there. It's not one of my wire best to say that what I was I am beer. When you soon son, the papa when you corona brabodo. Since I'm in the positive impact, pa, and Mammy, my into no more fat now, but I hope I'm over so far. Na ye bibi community or was nominated with the positive impact ya me
no but why one
Bestro no asabare celebrate wa papa but the best here there is the fancy door president for the Brothers and Sisters Association madam honoma wo bo mamutumzi dwumezino mzebro no nyinara ase nyame ya adoma ye basana ye hia sisi areze macron